In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you're going to flip $100 deposit to $500 or $600. Can you see this is a live deposit? The first couple of trade I took, they were losses. Alright, they were losses, so I had to take other trade, okay? So, but my first couple of trade in this account were losses. So normally, guys, it's completely okay for you to have some losses sometimes, okay? But if you know what you're doing, if you stick to the strategy, you're still gonna come out making profit. So, guys, with just $99, I was able to catch a very good trade using very good lot sizes. Can you see? This is a very good lot size. This is a very good lot size. So this trade is risk free. It's not as if we are over trading or over leveraging. We are just taking this trade based on knowledge, based on good trading psychology, based on a good strategy. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy you can use to grow your account, to make profit from the financial market. Before I share the strategy with you, if you want to get my trading blueprint, if you want to transform your trading, if you want to take your trading to the next level, some of you already know how to trade, but you just need to have a structured knowledge and a sound strategy, you can get our trading blueprint. Okay, check the description box of this video or check the comment section. You're going to find a link on how you can get the trading blueprint. And if you're from Africa, use the coupon code Africa. It will make you have easy access to the strategy. So guys, quickly let me show you how to trade a $99 account to $500, okay, using very simple trading concept. Now I'm expecting this trade to still go upward from this zone, okay, and still break this high because this market is on a bullish trend. Okay, this market is on a bullish trend. All right, so I am expecting that this market is going to continue buying. Okay, but if you look at our indicator, right here, you find out that we took this trade on a very good zone, on a very good zone. We took this trade here, we entered this trade here, okay, because we got that buy signal. Okay, we're in the buy zone, and from that buy zone we are able to take trade. Okay, the market was in the buy zone and we took that trade, okay, and the market is going in our direction. Okay, I was able to hold this trade for some days. Okay, guys, if you know, take this kind of trade using small lot sizes like this, you're gonna have to be patient. Okay, sometimes in trading you have to be patient. All right, I'm going to teach you all of this in my trading blueprint. Okay, so make sure you get that trading blueprint. I'm going to teach you how to take very good trades, okay, like this. Okay, so but for you to be able to hold trades longer like this, you have to be sure. You don't necessarily need to be completely sure, but you have to analyze the market properly. And you know, from your analysis, the market is telling you that there's a very high probability that the market is going to go in your direction. The reason why I said you cannot be sure is because I also had losses in my first two trade. Okay, my first two trade were losses. Okay, but for the fact that I had good risk management, I was not able to blow the account. I was still able to get a very good trade using very small lot sizes. Using, can you see, guys, very small lot sizes. Can you even see the lot size here? And can you see how far this trade has gone? So if you catch just a couple of trades, you'll be in very deep profit. And if you can hold the trade for a longer time, I can hold this trade till it gets to 900. I can hold this trade. By the time this market comes to this zone, by the time this market breaks this zone and gets to somewhere around here, because I know the market is in a bullish trend, the market, I'll be in very deep profit. I'll be in very deep profit. So guys, I'll show you how you're going to set up your chart and how you're going to take trades using this particular strategy. So guys, for this account I deposited $100 and I'm going to make sure I withdraw something from this account. Okay, so I'm just going to protect this account. So it's just remaining here. Let me just place one more stop loss on this account, so we know that this account is protected. Okay, so guys, as you're trading, do not be greedy. In as much as you are right with your bias, your analysis is correct, and you know that this market is supposed to go in your direction, you've done your analysis, you've looked at higher time frame, and you know that the market is supposed to play out in your favor. This is not my target. I'm not saying this is my target. I'm not saying that's my target, but this market is going to buy very well. Okay, at least gets to this zone, okay, before it start reversing. Guys, we are in deep profit. We are in deep profit. The market is actually going in our direction. Okay, remember I said that this market is in a bullish trend, so we are in this bullish trade. But let me just quickly show you how to set up your charts. So click on the F icon, then you're going to use four indicators. You're going to use the relative strength index, one moving average, another moving average, and the third moving average. So for your first indicator, if you see relative strength index, your period is 1, apply to close. Then your style, use 2 pixel, use color brown, and in your levels you're going to use level 10, level 20, level 50, level 80, level 100. So once you have all of this figured out, you click on save. Okay, so the first moving average you're going to be using in your parameters, the period is period 10, shift is 0, the method is exponential. Guys, make sure it's exponential, and apply to close, use 3 pixel, then use color blue. Okay, so once you have all of this figured out, you click on save. Okay, so the second moving average you're going to be using, the period is 15, the method is 0, the shift is 0 rather, the method is linear weight. Guys, take note, this one, in this particular moving average, the method is linear weight. Then apply to close, then use 3 pixel. Okay, so once you have all of this figured out, you click on save. Okay, so the third moving average you're going to be using, the period here is going to be 2, the shift is 0, the method is exponential. Okay, remember the previous moving average is linear weighted, so but this particular one is exponential. Then apply to close. In your style, use 3 pixel, use color black, and once you have everything figured out, you click on save. So as soon as you finish everything, you're going to find this indicator right here. Okay, you're going to find this indicator right here, and you're going to be using the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you're going to be using the 1 hour time frame, but this indicator is just to give you a confluence, to let you know what is happening in the market. Okay, it's just going to be like a second eye for you. All right, so but you still need to understand price action properly. You still need to understand risk management. You still need to know how to be patient, have a good psychology. Okay, that's why I recommend you to get the trading blueprint. Okay, if you can get the trading blueprint, you're gonna have all of this putting together in one course. Okay, putting together in one course. So after going through that course, you're gonna be consistently profitable, not just having unstructured knowledge. Okay, so but very quickly, this is how you're going to use this concept to trade the financial market. I want you to understand that for this market to move, for this market to buy, it has to somehow reverse. Okay, I'm telling you this because you're going to be taking a longer trade. You're going to be holding trades for longer time. So you have to understand that for the market to move, it's not just going to keep moving smoothly. No, that's not how the market is programmed to move. We would have loved the market to just keep going up expressly without having pullbacks. Okay, and in this particular case right here, it felt like the market moved very well, but there was still some sort of pullback from this zone right here to this zone right here. Okay, so the market is always going to sell, it's always going to buy, pull back, buy again, pull back, then continue, then pull back, then continue. Okay, so this is the kind of formation that you're going to have in the market. This is the kind of footprint the market is going to use to buy or sell. So right here, we are still expecting that the market is going to take out this zone. It's still going to continue moving upward because the market is currently in a bullish trend. Okay, so that's just very one key thing to take note of. So now this indicator right here is now going to serve as a confluence, as a confirmation to let you know that okay, fine, we can now take this trade, we can now go, that our bias is in alignment with the indicator right here. As you can see, we are in deep profit, guys. Deep profit. Deep. This is not a guesswork, guys. This is not a guesswork. Okay, I'm still gonna take off some profit in this market. Let me close this particular trade. Let me close this trade and let me make withdrawals. Remember what I told you, guys. Whenever you trade, make sure you make withdrawals. Make sure you make withdrawals. Make sure you make withdrawals whenever you trade. So even if this market pulls back to this stop loss right here, we are still protected. But there's a very high probability that this market is will still continue buying upward. There's a very high probability that the market is going to continue buying upward, because if you look at this zone, the market just pulled back to 50% of this zone and is going upwards again from this zone. Okay, can you see? Can you see from here, from this point to this point? Okay, the market pulled back to 70% to this zone and now is now buying upwards again. So if I had taken another trade right here, we'll still be in deep profit. But like I said, you have to learn how to have a good psychology, use good risk management, okay, when trading, to make sure that you are trading smartly and trading safely. Because guys, can you see, I just took out one position, I just closed one trade. Okay, so you have to learn how to take profits. You have to learn not to be greedy. In as much as you would like to flip $100 account to $1,000, you still need to learn how to be patient and take things slowly. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You can actually get rich from trading the market, but don't see it as a get rich quick scheme, because if you see it as a get rich quick scheme, you will psychologically force yourself to do some things that you're not supposed to do. You're going to force yourself to take some trades in the market that you're not supposed to trade, which will end up making you blow your account. Some of you ask yourself, those times that you blew your account, did you actually follow your strategy? Did you actually follow your concept? Were you patient enough? Some of those times that you took some trades that made you blow your account, was it not because you were just trying to look for very easy trades? Very easy trades. Very like as I saw that, okay, from this zone here to this zone, there was a liquidity void here, and the market needs to come and fill this liquidity void. I already saw that it's going to happen. I already saw that trade. But does it mean that I'm not going to add more trade right here? No. Did you not even notice that I used very little lot size, which is 0.05? So you have to have a very good psychology if you want to be consistent in this market. Okay, you have to have a good psychology if you want to be consistent in this market, and you have to have a good strategy, and you have to learn how to follow your trading rules. So guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed, and make sure you share this video to your friends and your loved ones. So with this indicator, once you have this sort of conjunction in the market, in this buy zone, once you have conjunction in this buy zone and these lines start crossing themselves, you just know that it's time for you to take trades. Okay, it's time for you to take trades, even in this smaller time frame. If you go to smaller time frame, such as the 1 minute time frame, can you see that particular trade idea I was talking about? Can you see where the market reversed? This zone where the market reversed right here, the market still came, it was in this buy zone. Okay, that was where the market reversed. So whenever the market wants to reverse this indicator, there will be some sort of conjunction, and from your higher time frame, I see from your higher time frame, from like the 1 hour or the 4 hours time frame, the market will be pulling down to an imbalance, trying to fill an imbalance, or trying to reach down to 50% of a zone. Okay, I don't know if you understand. Like if the market bought like this, so from this top to this bottom is a zone, so this middle here is equilibrium. So if the market pulls back, it's always going to come down to the discount level. It's going to come down before it now buys again. So you have to take note of all these simple concepts that happen in the market. But the reason why the market is not going to break down this zone is because the market is in a buy trend. You have to take note. You have to like sort of look for how direction of the market, where is the market going to, where is the level the market is trying to get to next. So once you figure out all of those things, you can now know how to take very good trades. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.